Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. So in today's video, we'll be solving the question 4 of the 2019 WASSCE Commerce Theory question. So question 4. A car dealer made a profit of 22.5% by selling a car for, this should be 58,000 Ghana cedis. So it should be 58,000. Alright. Find correct to two decimal places the percentage profit if the car had been sold for 61,200 Ghana cedi. So let's move on to the solution for question 4. We know that the selling price of the car is 58,000. And we know our percentage profit is 22.5%. But we don't know our cost price. So let the cost price be X. So we know that percentage profit is equal to profit divided by the cost price times 100%. And we also know that profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. So then our percentage profit will be equal to selling price minus the cost price is X. So minus X all over X times 100%. And our percentage profit is 22.5. It's equal to our selling price, which is 58,000 minus X all over X times 100. Now when we divide both sides by 100, this cancels this. We have 22.5 over 100 is equal to 58,000 minus X all over X. Now when we cross multiply, we have 100 times 58,000 minus X is equal to 22.5x. So when 100 multiplies 58,000, we have 5,800,000 Ghana cedi minus 100x is equal to 22.5x. Now when we group like terms, you have 5800,000 is equal to 22.5x plus 100x. Now 22.5x plus 100x gives us 122.5x, and this is equal to 5800,000. Now to find x, we divide both sides by the coefficients of x. So we divide here by 122.5 and we divide here by 122.5. This cancels this. Our x will be equal to, so 5800,000 divided by 122.5, we have 47346.94. So Ghana cedi. And we know that our x is the cost price. So therefore, our cost price will be equal to 47,346.9 Ghana cedi. Now from the question, we are told that find the percentage profit if the car had been sold for 61,200. So we have a new selling price. So our new selling price is equal to 61,200. And we are being asked to find our percentage profit. So our new profit will be equal to our selling price, which is Ghana cedi 61,200 minus our cost price, which is 47,346.9. So our new profit becomes Ghana cedi 13,853.1. And we know that our profit percent is equal to profit over cost price times 100. So our new profit percent will be equal to our new profit, which is 13,853.1, all over our cost price, which is 47,346.9 times 100%. So our new percentage profit will be equal to 29.259%. But then we are being asked to leave our answer in 2 decimal places. So our percentage profit will be equal to 29.26%. This brings us to the end of question 4. Now don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.